Hi everybody, bom dia, ja sam Georgia, and in this video I'm going to be commenting the Portuguese entry for Eurovision 2022 called Saudade, Saudade, I hope I pronounced it right, performed by Maro. So I'm going to play the song and the performance at the Festival de Canção 2022, and I'm going to give my reaction and opinion. Her voice is beautiful. And she's beautiful as well, but this really is a beautiful opening to the song. And even though it's not in Portuguese, I think the majority of the song is English. It has this title, Saudade, Saudade, which is as Portuguese as it gets, you know, because it means missing somebody, the emotion of longing for somebody, if I got it right, and it can be translated to English, and I believe it can be translated to many languages. Yeah, it's like a song from a movie. It's like a song from a beautiful movie or from a strong commercial of a sad commercial. This is really beautiful. This is a really beautiful song. And she manages to transmit this emotion of longing and missing somebody. Yeah, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Okay, so Portuguese here. And I love the stage setting, you know, she's singing there with, you know, 5 back vocalists. Yeah, this is really nice. This is really, really, really nice. And it feels Portuguese. It really feels Portuguese, you know. It just works. It just works so well, and Portugal knows how to do this. And I think once again they're going to be in the final. They're going to be in the final for sure. This has to be in the final. There is no other way. Yeah, I could be listening to this all day, honestly. And this voice is incredible. I have to check out more of her music, definitely, after seeing this performance and hearing this song. Well, really well done. Portugal really deserves an applause for this entry because this is really beautiful. So that was Maro with Saudade, Saudade for Portugal for Eurovision 2022. As I said, Portugal has been sending so many beautiful songs over the years. They've won just 5 years ago with, you know, the record number of points, which was very deserved. And yeah, they keep sending quality after quality, and it pays off, and I think this will pay off as well, and I think this will do very well. At least I hope so. This is a very beautiful song, a very emotional song, a very, you know, stripped back. There's not, you know, too much going on, but at the same time there's so much going on, because if you just listen to the lyrics and, you know, even if you don't, you know, see the performance, if you just listen to the song, it gets to you. I mean, at least it gets to me. Obviously, this is my opinion. But if you see it all together and then you hear the song, and there's something there. There's something really, really gripping in this performance and in this song. And I think the jury is going to love it. The televote is probably going to love it. And I hope they all love it, and that Portugal is sailing through to the final of Eurovision 2022, and that we're going to be hearing a lot of Maro and a lot of Saudade, Saudade in May. So that was my opinion. What do you guys think of Portugal 2022? Do you think it could do well? Do you think it's underrated, overrated? Let me know in the comments below. What can I say? Good luck, Portugal. Good luck, Maro. This is a wonderful song. Congratulations. And obrigado for this song. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, stay tuned, because I'll be doing a lot more videos about Eurovision 2022 and also a lot of other topics if I ever get the time to do that. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you later, and ciao.